Hello and welcome back. This is your sixth Python tutorial video, and in this video we're going to be covering on conditional statements. But before that, let's revisit what we learned last time. So last time we learned what an IDE is. We downloaded an IDE, Visual Studio Code. Then we made a file. We downloaded the Python extension. Then we played around a bit. We named some variables and printed out variables. We played around the codes a bit, but today we're going to learn about conditional statements, as I said before. So what are conditional statements? Conditional statements, for example, is giving a condition to Python. So I'm 14, so if sonum is 14, print out you're getting old. So if I'm 14, it will print out you're getting old. The the layout or the result will be you're getting old. But if I'm not, it will just stay silent until we use the else function and the elif function. So conditional statements have three main functions. So it is the if function, the else function, and the elif function. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to use it. So first, let us name a variable. Let's say sonum is 14. Then let's give out the function. Let's use the if function first. If sonum, let's say if sonum, the variable, equals to 14. Now you must be wondering what that equals to mean. Why did I use it? Equally included function is used while giving out a condition. So sonum is, if sonum is 14, so is sonum 14, is sonum equals to 14. So that's when you use it. It's just like a condition, but it doesn't give out a condition. So how do I say it? It doesn't get complete with the if, so you use it using the if function. So if sonum is 14, print you are getting old. So now we told the computer first sonum is 14. We told the computer first sonum is 14. Then say it. Now we said if sonum, if sonum equals to if sonum is equal to 14, colon, which means if sonum is 14, do what? So print you're getting old. One more thing I have to tell you guys is that indentations in Python are a must, because if there are no indentations, it will give you out an error. So first, let us try running it without indentations. So alright, let's try running it, and you got a indentation error. So that's why indentations are important. So this function should be inside this, because if sonum is 14, it's gonna print that. So that's why we need an indentation. But in some text editors, like after colons, you'll have automatically indentations. So it's more convenient. So yes, Visual Studio Code has that. Alright, now if sonum is 14, print you're getting old. So we fix the indentations. Let's try running it. So you're getting old. That's what we get. You're getting old. So which means it works. So if sonum is 14, sonum is 14. So it prints out you're getting old. Now let's use the else function, which means if sonum is 14, you're getting old. And what if sonum is not 14? That's when the else function comes in. That's what the else function is. If sonum is not 14, print out you are unknown. Alright, so you're unknown. So let's try it. It still prints out you're getting old because I'm 14. So let's like give a fake age. Let's say sonum 100. Not that old though. Alright, so you are unknown. So yes, you're unknown. So if sonum is 14, you're getting old, else print you're unknown. Or let's say this is not much. So let's say you are not 14. You're not 14. Alright, that's it. Then let us now move on to the elif function. The elif function, which literally is a combination of else and if. Else plus if equals to elif. That's the math equation. Alright, so else plus elif. The advantage of using elif is that you can assign a condition to it itself. So if sonum is 14, that's why the else comes in. Else if. So else if. So else if sonum is 14, else and if again. So we can assign a condition to itself. So if sonum equals to 10, print you are still young. Alright, so now let's test it out. Let's make sonum's age 10. That's too young. So you're still young. So we've told the computer if sonum is 14, you're getting old. Print you're getting old. Else if sonum is 10, print out you're still young. But if sonum is not 14 or 10, print you're not 14. So yes, let's like go code by code. So let's first say sonum. We told the computer sonum equals 10. So we told the computer sonum is 10. Then we told the computer we gave a condition to the computer. If sonum equals to if sonum is equal to 14, print out you're getting old. But else if sonum is 10, print you're still young. But what if sonum is not 14 or 10? So if it's not that, else print you're not 14. So that's how you use conditional statements. So today we learned how to use conditional statements. We learned how to use the if function, the elif function, and the else function, and that's pretty much it for today. And be ready for next class. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.